Welcome to our channel, New Financial Service. Today we're going to discuss how to trade in Upstock. So open Upstock Pro. So put your user ID and password. So this is the interface of Upstock. So to add any of the companies, you can click on this particular add script option. So here once you click, so you can add any company. So take an example, if you want to add IndusInd Bank. So type it as IndusInd Bank. So you will get to add over here and it will get appear over here. So if you want to add say Kotak Bank, so here it is appear and so add the script. So once you place ad, so they start appearing over here. So if you want to buy or sell, how you have to do it? So for example, IndusInd Bank. So you have to click on the IndusInd Bank. So here you have to place as buy. And here have to enter the quantity. So this is the intraday. So order complexity should be simple. Order type should be market, review buy, and say place buy order. So once the order status is like the order status is saying it is completed. So you have to check in order. See in the order it is saying it has been completed. So in position you have to see the order has been already completed. So now it is showing the daily P&L. So how to sell? So once you click on this, you have the exit option is given over here. So you can click on this exit option and say it as review square of order and place square of. So now the order is successfully traded. So this is how you can buy and sell any shares in Upstock. So next we're gonna see how to short a particular, how to short. Say example, you can short, how to do short selling. So take an example, Tata Motors. So first only you have to press it as sell, enter the quantity. So intraday, simple, and the order type should be market, and press as review sell order and place sell order. So here you can see the order is executed and come to the position section. Here you can see the position is executed, and to here it is showing the daily P&L. So how to square off this position? So you can directly click on this Tata Motors and say has exit position, or else you can directly click on the checklist and say has square off. So it automatically gets square off. Okay, so this is how you need to do buying and selling in Upstock. Okay, so how to go with the OCO order? Take an example of Tata Motors again. So buy, so say one quantity, complexity should be OCO. So it will be always be a limit order. Type the quantity, type the price 30 and make a stop loss and target. So we mention of 2 is the like 2 points stop loss, 2 points target. So if it reaches 114, it automatically gets squared off, and if it reaches 118, it will be reaches our target, and it will be get sold off. So we will be in profitable position in this way, in this manner. And say review buy order and place a buy order. Okay, so you can modify the price according to the prices. You can modify it and say place review modified order. So place a modified order. So it will be there in the order. It will be there in the order list. You can modify it. So once it is completed, it will be shown in the. So see, the OCO order is completed and it is showing in the this position tab. So here it is a daily P&L, a P&L. It is showing. And how to square off this particular position. So you can square off by clicking on this particular button and you can go for square off here itself. So it is getting it is squared off. Okay, the same way you can go with the selling. So you can type the quantity. So intraday OCO. You can mention the limit price, at what price you want to buy, and stop loss 2 points down, 2 points up, and place a review order. If you want to go for trailing, you can go for trailing of stop loss. So as soon as the price goes on moving up, the stop loss will be also starts moving up. So this is what the feature of trailing is. So you can place the review sell order, and once you press the place sell order, so the order will get placed. Okay. So if you want to hold shares for few days, you can go. So click Kotak Bank, enter the quantity over here, and select it as delivery. Order complexity should be simple. Order type should be market, and place review buy order and place the buy order. So you can hold shares for a few days or few months. This is how you can do. This is how you can place your orders in Upstock. So thank you for watching.